Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a light. We have a Western New York light power train. Let's check it out. Rail fanners are on there as well. I don't know these rail fanners. I don't know any other rail fanners except for two. Let's turn this way. Yep, this is tray. I'll look at this. I believe this is tray number 9. I'm not really sure. And I think this is tray number 9, yes. And this is the first Western New York. This is after I got the OC&T passenger trains, and now we got a light power train of the Western New York in this one. They might gonna change, the crews might have to change in the engines here pretty soon. But, no, I guess not. Here they come now. All the kids are gonna like this. These kids, truck, please don't block the view. No, I can see it now. Let's get away from that truck. There we go. Zoom that in off the truck. There you go. There you go. Yeah, this is the first Western New York, and this is the second light power ever. I don't know these rail fan guys. I don't know these rail fan people over here.
The car has Michigan license plates.
And the car's got license plates in Michigan, yeah. I don't know any other rail fanners except for a few. Alright, we're gonna get off and we'll get back on with the next train. I don't know if it's gonna be the OC&T or Western New York. Talk to you later, No, this is light power, yeah. Second time with the light power. Actually, it's a third one now, and I think I think I got the light power. I'll get a shortened version of that. In the next couple days here on the train channel. So, but we're gonna get off now and we'll get back on with another train. Talk to you later.